Heather Coffin. Thanks for the warm welcome, and I'm happy to join your Digital Profit Builder School. Heather, I checked out your About page, and I must say I'm impressed. So let me tell those who are watching this video what Heather's Digital Profit Builder School is about. Here goes. It's a digital profit system from idea to income in 30 days. Heather created the digital profit system after trying tons of marketing programs that left her overwhelmed and DIYing her way through tech chaos. Now Heather earns passive income through digital products, memberships, and automated course sales. She has helped 200 plus creators do the same in just 30 days. Inside the community, you'll get step-by-step guidance to launch fast and grow with confidence without stress or guesswork. When you join Heather's Digital Profit Builder School community for free, you unlock the following: one-on-one game plan session, weekly challenges and support, plug-and-play product templates, PLR content library, 100 plus rebrandable assets, school tech setup guides, marketing prompts that convert. Heather doesn't just teach, she transforms. She says, let's turn your idea into income without the burnout. For those who are watching this video on the internet and would like to join Heather Coffin's Digital Profit Builder School, you will find her link in the description of this video. Now here's how I use my AI marketing system to build my business. I use a variety of AI marketing tools and techniques to promote my profit opportunities, but my best results come from AI video marketing. I try to produce at least one new AI marketing video a day, this video being one of them. Over the years, I probably have over 2,000 marketing videos working for me 24/7. In the past, it took me maybe an hour or more to produce a video, but now, because of the AI revolution, I can produce one in about 15 to 20 minutes. I use two AI video generating tools. First is an AI image generator, and the second an AI video generator. Example, my image and voice in this video is not the real me. It is AI generated. My AI video campaigns are focused and keyed on niche categories that have a lot of interest and followers, on and offline. My latest AI video marketing campaign is around classic cars. Classic car enthusiasts are in the millions and can be found just about anywhere, on and offline. In the description of this video, you will find the link to that video targeting classic car enthusiasts and how I have programmed my AI profit opportunity into that AI video targeting those millions of classic car enthusiasts. In that video, I explain in detail how my AI video marketing system works and how you can duplicate my success for your marketing goals, whatever profit opportunity you are promoting. Side note, I used an AI content generator to write the description in this video. To your success. Harvey Silver Fox.